From Renaissance masters to digital creators, the human figure remains the ultimate challenge for artists. Different eras, different tools, the same task: to draw the body in motion from any angle and make it feel true. And to do that, memorizing bone and muscle names isn't enough. It takes a special way of seeing. So we created Grafit Anatomy Series as a key to our approach, to understand the language of the human form, learn how it works, and build a way of thinking that makes anatomy usable in drawing. Episode 1 is free, available now.